In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, reach Settings, then click on Wallpaper, and now it's time to pick your source. So it can be Live Wallpapers, Photos, or Wallpapers album. Let me choose this third option, and here you've got the several albums. Let me go with, let's say, Seascapes. And here you can pick some particular picture that you would like to apply as your home screen. You can also change the layout. Here you can check how it looks on both home and lock screen, but actually I don't like this picture. Let me go back to, for example, no, not on device, but textures, and maybe let's apply this one. Then click on confirmation mark and decide if you want to cover just your home screen with this picture, lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both, and as you can see, it has been applied, and from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both home and lock screens. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.